What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're in Japan. Hey David. What's up Jason?
Hello.
Bye bye. So we're at Fuji Golf Course. They actually just opened up for the year today. You can see Fuji Mountain right there. One thing's pretty sad is we cannot play from the tips today. So we can only play from the whites. So I don't know, it's walking only. It's pretty short. I think courses in Japan are relatively short. Anyways, hopefully we're gonna have a good time. It's freezing today. The weather's currently in the 30s, I guess. What are you going to shoot today, Jason? 75? 100?
Based on 100.
David's gonna shoot under par today. Look at that swing. Attaboy. So we're doing some drinking games today. So David's gonna take a shot for us. Yes, sir. We got Jason right here. Yes, sir.
More.
Jason's gonna lead the way. The ladies is up there. They tee off already. Settle. Almost topped my first shot, but it's okay. It's in the bunker. Jason's gonna have a really tough shot, just like mine. Oh wow, great shot. He's on a green. Ah! That was so good. Fuck you, dude. Hey, that's pretty solid. Great shot. I'm doing the bogey challenge today, so if I get a bogey, I have to drink a shot. For Jason and David, double is a shot. Jason putting for birdie on the first hole. Settle.
Come on, you piece of fucking
Bogey. Oh. Double.
Hey.
Attaboy. Big Dick J. Big Dick J. Ooh. Settle. Ooh. Here you go.
Drink.
Inside eagle. Drink for David. Here you go, Jason. Our goal today, finish that bottle. Beat the right club.
Oh.
Get in the freaking hole. Oh, birdie! Oh! Hey.
Ooh.
Please get in the hole.
Hey,
Shut up. Oh! David almost drank again. David almost drank again.
Safe.
Nice.
Oh.
Attaboy. David! Jason! Professional, David! Professional! I had a very shitty shot. Still got like 130. I'm using a Pac-Man ball today, which is kind of cool.
Pin position.
Settle. Oh, you might par.
Oh, okay.
저
Hello，
我们转我为什么要用走的？赶地还在后面。
并且感觉很开心。
Atta boy. Good ball.
龙一看我，龙一。Dope 。龙一他现在喝的有点醉，然后他说越来越放松，然后怎么打都是甜蜜点，超扯的。甜蜜点，甜蜜点。要打甜蜜点就是喝啊，对不对
？Settle.
Whoa.
My.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Say win. Cheers.
Cheers.
Say win.
哦，
Win. 没有 win 不能那个。Win。要倒很多要倒很多。
哇塞！shot，大拇指的啦，大拇指的啦，对不对？David's trying to birdie this hole. See what he can do. Oh, saucy.
Get in the hole. Very good.
Too much? Like right here? Okay.
Oh my god. Oh, good par.
Chasing for par. Oh, settle.
Go.
下雪，真的哦、
Bogey.
你穿这样蛮帅的。哦哦哦！
对怕吗？这是对怕。
你一定要记得。啊！我自己。哦。
很久没看到你打 draw。
夭寿哦！
哦 ，great shot! Look at that curve. The clubhouse is pretty though. Overall, it's a pretty nice golf course. They just opened up today. Hey! Holy shit! Holy shit! Get in the hole!
Under 哟，这就是龙一追求的感觉。
对，飘飘然。
飘飘然。
We just got back from for lunch break. We're gonna see how we're gonna play the back nine. We just took another shot. Jason left something back.
哎呦。Solid.
Tiny. Okay. Par. Go. That's the right line. David make a birdie. A par. Oh! 是不是该再喝一个 shot? Let's fucking go. Atta boy. Good ball. Stephen Curry, baby. Let's go. Jason's gonna birdie this hole. He has like 120 out after a really good drive. Ooh, saucy. Good shot. Not bad. Oh! You gotta be kidding me, bro. We're struggling a little bit, but we'll be fine. We don't even make a birdie though. It's kind of sad.
Oh, 你在干嘛？Wow.
Guess where I ended up, right there. What a shot. Big ass curve. We got David right here. Ooh. Great shot, David. Okay. David has to make this. Where's the drink?
Drink.
A shot. A shot. A shot, David. Jason for par. Oh, God. ball.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh wow, good ball. Very good. Almost on the green. Wow.
Oh.
With the whiskey, look at him.
Thank you.
Oh wow, good ball. Oh, get in the freaking hole, please.
Oh.
Oh, good par.
快打了，各位。
Oh my goodness.
Nice. Ooh. It's okay.
There you go. Atta boy. Good ball.
Oh. Oh.
Batty. For par. You hit it thin.
Nice. 我刚练回名就不错。
Whisky. Right.
Whoa. Oh wow, he went through. Atta boy. Davis-san. The last hole. David, how you feeling?
Easy.
Atta boy.
Oh.
Okay.
Putting for birdie. I think he got it. I think he got it. Ah!
69.
Anyway, we're done for today.
Congratulations, 69. Okay, 69.
I did. We had a great time today. Do you have a good time today, Jason?
69.
I think Jason played pretty well today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And follow my Instagram as well. I'll see you all soon. Peace. Boom.